Alright, so I'm looking a little ratchet because I just need to do some bag runs. So we're gonna get rid of these bags over here, as you can see right behind me. So we're gonna do that right now. So this is really the last few days of the series. This is like the 12th, so I have like 8 more days, really 7 more days to finesse down here. But as you can see, there's a lot of space behind me. I'm also getting my lights today, so as much as I'm trying to like rush and get all this out of the way, I feel like this is the perfect day to vlog because A, it's 66 outside. Well, it's in the 60s. It's still early though, it's not even 11 yet. And B, I'm getting my lights today, so let's carry on. Ooh. Hey, so it's hot as heck. Sun is on my face though, hey. Alright, no, but seriously, I need to like throw these in a bin. Don't play my song. I need to throw these in a bin. Sorry, that's not my Christelle letter to my ex. That is still a bop, let me tell you. There we go. So yeah, we are on our way to go bring a bunch of stuff to a clothing bin. I've been going to Goodwill for the past like 2 to 3 days. I'm tired of them at this point. I'm just gonna go to clothing bin, get rid of these last 3 bags, and start painting. I am a little parched, but I wanted to vlog today because this is actually the 3rd day of us getting rid of things. There's actually still more things to get rid of, but I'm gonna leave that for my dad because that's like when we have to go to the the junkyard again, and they're not open today, or else I would have just done everything, just do everything one time. So. Sun is on fleek, but let's go. I'm hungry and I got a lot of things to do. We're going to duct tape. Okay, you guys, I don't even know if I'm in focus, but we're gonna just duct tape this wall. This is the white wall that I'll be taking pictures on, and we're just gonna duct tape that. And yeah, while I listen to music. So this is still part of day 3 or 4 of getting rid of things. I already did that. You guys saw in my car vlog I did that. So now we're just duct taping and finishing up painting and just doing last minute things so that I don't have anything else to do, and for the next 7 days I can just work on like decorating, organizing, again constantly just like putting things where they should look and be, and just really getting my decorating, interior design on, even though I'm not going to school for that.